Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to be talking about the settings tab and the social networks area. You're going to notice that Blog Talk Radio will allow you to connect with two different kinds of social networks. You'll be able to connect your Facebook account as well as your Twitter account. Now, when you connect with your Facebook account, you will actually be connecting with your personal profile. So there are certain areas that you are going to be able to connect to. So let's click this button and Blog Talk Radio will actually tell you more about the connection. Now, understanding that Blog Talk Radio will be connecting to your personal profile, you'll want to determine which of these notifications and connections that you actually want, if any. Now, you'll be able to send a status update when you first schedule your show. As you update the status, it'll actually post to your news feed when a show is archived, as well as any actions regarding your channel. And then, of course, if you don't like the way the connection works, you can always disconnect from Facebook altogether. Now, you'll have a similar set of connections with Twitter. Now, once again, Blog Talk Radio will actually tweet for you. Again, if you determine when the show starts, when your show is scheduled, and then you can actually have it do so between 5 minutes and 1 hour before the show actually starts. And you can also have it connect when the show is archived. So once you determine when you'd like Blog Talk Radio to tweet for you, all you'll need to do is click Save Changes. And of course, if you don't like any of those connections, you can actually disconnect from your Twitter account. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.